I dare say this calls for a mock-up. You smelling what I'm stepping in? Hey guys, and welcome to Riggs Garage. What? There we go, fixed it. Hey guys, welcome to Riggs Garage. I'm Eric Riggs, and tonight I'm going to look at the Wilwood disc brake kit for my 1970 Mustang Fastback. The whole point of this car is to make a nice driver that's fun to rip around in, that's really unique. It's got patina, it's got good parts in it, and it's going to be reliable for me to drive to work or wherever else I want to drive it with the kids in it. So here's a look at the kit on summitracing.com. All right, here's the disc brake kit. The part number is Wilwood 140-13477-D. The -D apparently gives me slotted and drilled rotors. So this is the kit. I just got it. $675. Seems like a lot of money, but a lot of guys are making $600 payments on new trucks. It'll be worth less than half that in 4 years. So I feel pretty good about this purchase. So right away, it does say that these are anodized gray calipers, but the pictures only show black. So we're about to find out what that looks like when we open the box. What I wanted to show you was applications here. This fits a lot of different applications and apparently has parts for both disc brake spindles and drum brake spindles. So I'll show you a couple of the applications at Ford Fairlane, Falcons, Futuras, Maverick. All these are just drum and disc brake spindles, and then the Mustangs. So I'm a base model Mustang, and I have drum brake front spindles. So 1970 through 1973 Mustangs, this will fit. So that is for me. Looks like there are at least 4 pages of applications this works on. So you can see here's a big picture of it. It's going to look nice. They give you very precise measurements. I didn't take any, I just went off the application, but that's nice to have, I guess. All right, let's take a look at the package. Always cut towards yourself. Sweet sticker action, that is great. This is pretty exciting. The reason I ordered this kit is because I've always wanted Wilwoods. I've never had a car I kept long enough or that was actually nice enough to put them on, so I decided to splurge on this kit. So let's dig in now. The Mustang's actually a car that I plan on keeping indefinitely. No plans on selling. Of course everybody says that, but this is a car that I've wanted since the early 2000s, the first time I saw it. Alright, the kit. This kit should bolt up to everything factory. So these are stainless steel braided lines, beautiful lines, multiple different fittings there. And these should bolt up to my stock Mustang hard brake lines. There's that. Now we have the caliper mounting brackets. They appear to be powder coated nicely and heavy duty enough. Wilwood brake pads. This looks like the wheel bearings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have the seals as well. I figured there might be two sets of bearings, one for the disc brake spindle and one for the drum brake spindle, but maybe they're the same. I have not cross-referenced the part numbers. Hopefully those work nicely. We got the various hardware here. And this is what I was looking for. Cool, these are the gray anodized disc brake calipers. Now that's anodized, not powder coated. Let's crack this open. Man, it feels good to finally get a nice product like this on one of my cars. That is nice, very nice. Super lightweight, forged aluminum, 4-piston, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very cool. The finish is excellent. Just has a little bit of texture to it, but the anodization is very uniform. That's going to look quite beautiful behind my gold wheels. Those look really good. Super happy with that. I wonder how good this black coating here is, because that's always the first to start rusting and looking a little gamey behind the wheels. But man, these are nice. Looks like the races are already installed. That's good, because I didn't see any in that box. These look like a good step up from the parts store rotors. I hope so. The kit also comes with what looks like pretty comprehensive instructions as well. It has warnings and stuff about doing brakes. You can die without brakes. Here's the gist of it. Bare spindle. Put your bracket on. Put your bearings in your hub/rotor. Slam the rotor home. Bolt the caliper to the caliper bracket. Put some pads in. Probably not in that order, but that's the installation. Yep, this is going to look awesome. Can't wait to install this on the Mustang. This is going to look awesome on that Mustang, and it's going to stop even better. I can't wait to do it. So I'm going to do an installation video on this really soon once I get the Mustang sorted out and running. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to follow along with this build and the 63C10 build and even that Honda build. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage.